Hi, I'm Shelley Kohut with Remax ACA, and I want to welcome you to my newest listing, 108 2nd Avenue Northeast. This is a beautiful corner lot, and it's basically a double lot, which you'll see as we get into the video. This is nicely located close to downtown and close to the schools. If we pan over here, the schools are right behind those houses there. There's a bridge that takes you over, and there's a park in behind there. So you can see this little bungalow. It's got really good shingles, nice mature trees. It's on a concrete foundation, vinyl clad windows. It's all properly fenced with chain link. So we're just going to enter into the home, up the concrete steps. So this brings you into the living room, which is actually quite a large room. The walls are all knocked down. Not sure if you can see that. Freshly painted in the living room. Nice big picture window, and it ventilates on both sides. Pot lighting in the ceiling. And then it L's around into the eating area. Nice new flooring in the kitchen. Cream colored wooden cabinets with an arborite countertop. Lots and lots of cupboards. And a nice amount of counter space as well. So it's a nice efficient kitchen with all this storage. And then we come around here, we have entrance to the back or down the hallway into the bedroom areas. So you've got a closet here and a closet here. Here is the washroom. This house has been really well looked after. We have a jetted tub. And a rain shower. And then the double clad vinyl windows out to the outside. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms. They're all a pretty good size. Laminate flooring. Closet. This second bedroom has some built-in cabinetry. It'd make a great room for a teenager. All white doors and white trim. Here's the master bedroom. Then there's a fully finished basement. The back entry is ceramic tiled. So it's got a super long living room. It's 35 feet long with a fireplace, a wood burning with rock. This would make such a nice cozy little visiting area. And this area would make a great games area. This room here is ideal for an office. It's got a double closet, built-in desk. The windows are not legal for a bedroom egress. But if you wanted to make it bigger, you could have a 4th bedroom easily. Here's the laundry room. Pot lighting. Nice modern Maytag appliances. New flooring. There's some storage back here and back here. In here we have a 3-piece bath with a shower and a laundry chute. This is the utility room here. Has an older furnace. This is the wood chute. So you can load your wood from outside and it just rolls down into this bin here without making a mess carrying it through the house. There's also a workshop area here and a pantry. This is a great, solid, well-built home, but one of the things you're most going to enjoy about it is the outdoor space. So we're just going to step out the back door here. Completely covered back patio area. It's too bad the neighbors decided to work outside today. I'm just going to take you out here so you get a real good idea. Nice big mature spruce. Little storage shed. Chain link fencing. And you have off-street parking here. And you could use this as a carport. It's got the concrete block wall. And this side yard is also fenced off 2 ways. If you were to fence off a section, it would make a really nice little dog run. So this is a double lot. There's a patio block patio. The gazebo and the curtains are included. And who doesn't like a clothesline? Fire pit area. An electric light. It's a massive yard. If you have an RV, there's a great little cement, well, not so little, a great RV pad right here. with a gate out to the road and a gate to the concrete pad behind the garage. The garage is 26 by 24. Concrete floors, wired and heated with the overhead gas furnace. Has fluorescent and LED shop lighting. It's all sheathed with plywood and insulated. There's your gas heater. 2 10-foot doors. This is a great shop. There's a sub panel here. I just don't recall if there's 220 wiring. You'll have to check out my comments. So here's a view back to the house. You can see what great shape those shingles are in. So if you'd like to take a look at this property at 108 2nd Ave Northwest, Sundre, Alberta, just give myself, Shelley Kohut, a call on my cell at 403-636-1111. Thank you.